Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Berkshire Hathaway for value investing, full guide step-by-step clear. Value investing is a powerful strategy, and Berkshire Hathaway is an excellent resource for investors. Begin by understanding the core principles of value investing. Familiarize yourself with Warren Buffett's investment philosophy, which emphasizes buying undervalued companies with strong fundamentals. Visit Berkshire Hathaway's website to access their financial reports and shareholder letters. Review the company's annual reports, as they provide insights into its investment strategy and portfolio. Study the company's subsidiaries to recognize the diverse range of businesses Berkshire owns. Pay attention to the management approach highlighted by Buffett and his team. Analyze the financial health of companies within the Berkshire portfolio by examining key performance metrics. Consider the importance of intrinsic value, which helps you determine if a stock is undervalued. Learn to read and interpret balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. Next, explore the investment criteria outlined by Buffett, focusing particularly on companies with a durable competitive advantage. Build a list of potential investment opportunities based on these criteria. Research and review the pricing history of these companies to gauge their market performance. Use market data and stock analysis tools to compare the identified companies against their peers. Once you identify potentially undervalued stocks, start your due diligence process. Investigate the industry trends affecting these companies and how they fit into broader economic conditions. Consider whether you believe in the long-term growth potential of the businesses you are interested in. Evaluate your risk tolerance before making investment decisions. Create a diversified portfolio that includes a mix of stocks from different sectors. Once you have made selections, determine where to buy shares, whether through a brokerage or directly. Monitor your investments regularly while being patient, as value investing often requires a long-term outlook. Stay updated on ongoing financial news and Berkshire Hathaway's quarterly results for continual learning. Engage in discussions with fellow investors to gain insights and alternative viewpoints. Lastly, keep refining your investment strategy as you gain more knowledge and experience in the value investing arena. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.